Okay, guys, today we are going to discuss about how the actions class and what is the importance of actions class. So generally, when we want to automate an application, there are different actions also you have to do apart from sending a value into the text box, clicking a button, and selecting the value from top down. Apart from this, we have to perform different actions as well, like a double click, click and hold, drag and drop, move to element, and context click. These are basically the mouse actions. If you clearly observe, these actions will be able to done by using a mouse. Likewise, we have a keyboard also. So by using the keyboard, we can able to send keys. Means send keys is there in normal driver dot find element by providing the locator, and then you can also enter the value inside the text box. But we do have a option from actions class as well. And key up means performs key release option. Like for example, when you want to press shift and you have to select some keys on the top. So you have to release sometimes, right? So those things will be done by using key up and key down. So let us see few of the actions how we can perform in the web application. Imagine we want to perform mouse over on buses or a trains. Okay, double click on more. Okay, you have to double click on more so that everything is getting selected.
देखिए एक काम बोले तो एक काम कर तू
आपने
ना कोई भी अल्लाह ताला दिमाग दिया अपने को हाँ बैठे तो ऐसा करे तो नीचे जाती हो
आफरीन जी mute yourself. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we don't have particular application to test right now. So in the IRCTC application itself, I want to perform different actions. So first thing is mouse over on trains and double click on more so that we will come to know whether this particular action we are able to perform or not. So for that trial only I'm doing here. And the right click means context click is nothing but right click. See, if you just right click on buses, this inspect option will open. So just we'll try to do all these things. The IRCTC registration. Okay. Creating a new class, name it as actions. Practice. Pasting the web driver and everything to here. creating a method and I have pasted this. Okay. So after this, after this, so first I'm just storing the locators. So storing the web element into some variables and I'm trying to perform the action on them. Okay. So let me insert times. Yeah, so one of two which is showing the first one itself it is pointing there. So I'm taking this locator driver dot find element by dot x path providing the x path inside multiplication dot. No, we are not performing any action. Rather, we are storing this inside some variable. Find element is returning web element. So I'm storing in web element. This is train. This is the reference of train. So web element import is required. I'm going to import the web. Next. Next is I'm going to right click on the buses. So again, I'm getting the buses. So yeah, one of one taking this locator. Maybe I'll take this one. Copying the locator, pasting it here, and naming this as buses. This is buses. Likewise, I'm taking another locator web element for context for double click. Maybe I'll take for more. Locator I can take here. Now, so whatever the web elements I want to perform actions on, first I stored all of them. Next. So I want to move to element on trains and double click, context click on buses, double click on more. So before everything starts, I have to create an object for actions class. So it should be accepting the driver. We are passing the driver inside the actions class. Now by using this act object, you can perform, see, you have multiple methods here. Click on web element, click on hold, click, context click, double click. So first things on train, I have to do move to element. Move to element and where I want to move to trains. So, and you should always give build dot